No twin this time, but I'm still headed back to Cali, a whole new me. That was good. Yo, did you see this? Okay, I'm actually really just joking about the whole twin thing, but there are people, I think, on Instagram who really think I might have a twin.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days.
What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back, another video on Talks with TJ, and that's right, I'm heading back to Cali. If you guys have caught up on everything, or if you're caught up on everything on the channel, heading to California to work with New Balance for the ESPN Women's Summit for 2022. Very, very excited about that. Before I'm even done filming this, yeah, I haven't fully packed yet. I have an idea though of most of the outfits, and if you guys haven't caught that video, please be sure to. I'll try to put the link in the description for a number of different things offered by New Balance. So again, be sure to check that video out. It will feature 3 different pairs, but I may or may not end up taking 4 pairs with me. Who knows? And of course, the fear of God California is to keep it comfortable, cozy, and they're like one of the best travel shoes. So I'll have that. I am in New Balance for an entire week's time. But for any of you that scored on the Starfish one, especially women, congratulations. I really hope you enjoy them. They are by far one of my favorite pickups for the year. And let's just talk pickups real quick, because as you guys recall, I hit on the Joe Freshgoods 993, the Sage colorway. But I also got hit with that drop charge. Now, I understand there's this whole concept of the charge could possibly reappear and the shoes get shipped out later on. That's very true. It could happen. I also know some people have reached out to them because they have yet to receive any updates on their order, and it actually helped spark something. I'm not doing that. Not that I don't think the shoe is amazing and I don't want it, but life is life, and I actually have had some other things come up that are a bigger priority than me getting the shoe. So if the charge goes through, cool, whatever. If it doesn't, listen, I have other things again that I am working on, and timing is of the essence for me right now. So I'm really hoping that I can just take care of that before we move further into November, because November will be, well, busy. It's also my birthday month, and haven't decided what sneaker I'm buying myself or getting myself for my birthday. I have no idea if it will be an Air Max 1, because Nike Air Maxes, the ones, there are some ones out there that I really like for this year, but then also SBs, like you guys know, I got this one right here. Yeah, I got some other ones that are top on my wish list for 2022. So we'll see what happens there. But there has been a switch up though, because again, heading to travel, I'll be very, very busy. I don't want to deal with my hair. I don't. So I went with the braids, easy, simple. The only thing I have to do is tie it up at night. And that's a blessing. I don't have to worry about, again, my hair when I'm moving, going all over. It'll be a little bit warmer, of course, in California. So I just like to streamline it. Work smarter and harder, and I just think it will take you further along. But what's on the way? More Fear of God. Actually, it might touch down, or one of the items might touch down from PacSun before I actually leave. I hope it does. I don't know. I have poor timing in terms of when I decided to order things, knowing my schedule, but I really hope a lot of you were able to cash in on the sale on PacSun for Fear of God Essentials. They had items that were listed for 50% off. That is a bargain. That is a steal. And PacSun, again, they're being pretty fast with the shipping. Now, I know I've judged them harshly in the past, like really bad, like to the point I would not even grace their website for essentials launches, but we're in a new day, a new age. A lot of the crazy resale hype has died down for it, which is a really good thing, because now we can get the items that we want and enjoy them and wear them. I don't know if the TikTok kids have moved on to something else. I'm not really sure, but I know that it's easier, and that 50% off sale came in clutch. So if you guys didn't see on the community tab or on Twitter or on Instagram, I picked up 3 items and I stopped myself right there. So I picked up the pistachio pants, so the sweats in a small. I picked up the sweatpants traditional cuffed in the oak colorway. So I already have the nylon pants. I picked those up in the oak colorway. I actually think they'll pair really well with either of these pairs right here. And then the seafoam t-shirt. So I've loved all of those colors. I just didn't buy everything immediately. The dollar only stretches so far, but I love a sale. and I'm happy about that. So I have those items on the way as soon as they arrive. I mean, I'll let you guys see how they look on. And then I also made some H&M purchases because those things were on sale. So I just needed a plaid blazer and an Oxford shirt. Okay, not that I needed it, but it was on sale and it's been at the top of my list, and the online sale was better than going in store. So again, stretch your dollar as far as you can possibly stretch it. But I really hope I was able to help you guys out with the Fear of God packs on sale. I hope you have an amazing start to your weekend. Fully packed yet? This is like the one time I procrastinated packing. That's probably not that smart. But I also planned ahead though. There are videos prepared for you guys to enjoy. Just know my hair is likely straight in those videos because they were pre-filmed, okay? Again, I'm trying to be pretty proficient and efficient over here, but I just appreciate you guys for tuning into this. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.